dude. Do football fans even like Taylor Swift? Like,
Bro, they don't
like the
care.
abundance?
Like, they like, okay, cool, she's dating Taylor Swift, but you don't gotta show Taylor Swift every single time in the game. Like, oh, look who's in the house. Oh, let's see Taylor Swift's reaction. Oh, what are they doing? You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah,
we don't care.
I
Like,
actually
they
hate that.
don't care. We don't care. We're here for the team.
They need to
So,
do what basketball does. Like, if there's celebrities in the building, they'll show like the celebrities for like 5-10 seconds, and that's it. That's it. Like, you're
exactly.
telling me
That's
that
all. Like,
football
hey, look
they
who we
like
have in the
spend a
house.
whole lot of time on them?
Uh-huh.
More than like 5 seconds? Ouch, dude.
And people were even complaining, like, people that don't, like, aren't dedicated to the Chiefs, all that, no one was started to watch any type of Chief game because of that reason. They didn't want to deal with it.
Wow. Yeah, I'm not too shocked anymore then. I like how all four of us are in here. Just a bunch of trolls playing on this game. I like how all of us are going out through the same way too. Crap. Well, that's awkward. I'll be the one. I have the valve, and I know where the valve pump is. I just know how I just don't know how I'm gonna get there. I might actually die. I think I might die. Hitchhiker, and I'm like 2 hits away from death. No! Oh boy, I'm about to die, Cito. No. I'm all out of stamina. I don't have much hope. Okay. I have a little bit more hope now. I don't know how I'm gonna make it out though. time for that to happen, dude. Ugh. I can't do anything, Cito.
I might have just maxed him out.
I can't get to the... my mission is that pump. I can't get to it, man.
Where is it?
It's outside in the back.
I don't know about this. You get away from me! They left. Finally. I hope the others are okay.
Front left door's open.
Okay.
And of course, the... Okay. Wait, maybe? Okay, I'm gonna go turn off the generator.
Okay, where is it at? Left or right? Front? Okay.
I'm turn. Oh, they're gonna see me.
It's too cold.
Okay, it's off.
I don't think I'm making it out. I might make it, Cito. I might make it.
Are they gone?
Oh yeah, you got out. You got out.
I'm out of stamina. I made it, Cito! Oh, that was a hard one. That was such a hard one.
I can get help. Stay calm, Lana. You can do this.
I feel like we're playing all the tryhards tonight.
You think so?
It kind of feels like it. Someone's a killer's coming downstairs, but I don't want to find out the hard way, so I'm just running along. There's two of them that are down. Have you noticed? Two of them have been coming down here lately. Like almost every match. Have you noticed? I have. And it's bullcrap. I mean, it's good for whoever's upstairs, you know, but when you're being chased like a Johnny like I am right now in the basement, things ain't looking too good, dude. Well, two of them are.
There's
Which path did you take?
black couches.
Not couches.
Black couches.
Oh. I'm still being hunted by them down here, man.
Fuse box is open, but I don't have a fuse.
Human? Don't even think about it, Anna. Just stay calm.
He's not very fast. You're okay.
Yeah, but he's gonna alert everybody else.
You kidding me, dude? What are the odds of that bullcrap, man?
But
I'm being chased by Johnny.
where?
In the... I finally left the basement. Sito, I finally left it.
That's not good. Oh my god.
There's gotta be something I can use around here. Okay, stay quiet, Anna.
The pervert's on me, dude.
That's it, Anna. Stay hidden.
It's on, it's on.
I don't know where it is.
Black couches make a right.
I kinda don't help me.
Guess what?
What?
It's not even unlocked. That door's not even unlocked, dude.
Oh.
Neither is that one.
Oh, that one was a pain in the butt.
Over there.
I'm not gonna make it, dude. I have a big feeling. Actually, don't you dare close. No, 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 no. Oh, crap! Oh my gosh. This guy's a psychopath, this guy. I want to play as the... Oh dear, maybe this is a bad idea. It was a bad idea. I made the right move. Johnny's just walking around, man. Screw you, Johnny. Get out of here. Oh my god. I see you. You're the chick?
No. I'm the guy, remember?
Oh yeah.
Gonna get out, okay? You will, Julie.
Oh, I'm by the water valve.
You're the dude, right? Look to your left. You
Yeah.
see me? You see me to your left? Behind the bars?
Let me see, let me see, let me see. Hold on, I'm the killer right now.
Yep, same.
You hear that? Oh.
Did you make noise?
I didn't make noise, no.
Was that right next to you, though?
No, I was right next to me. I'm like on the other side by the tin thing.
Why are you guys all next to me, man? Screw you guys.
What? Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I think I heard you.
I'm going through the thing here now.
Oh shoot. They're both right next to me.
Same.
Do you see them right now?
Yeah.
Where are you at? You're right
I'm
next
looking.
to me.
Where's the water? Where's the water tank at?
It's right by the opening of the. Well, it's a water pump. Not a
Okay.
cave.
Where?
Right. At the
Coordinates.
entrance of this little shed. There's coordinates in this game? Where?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm just moving in. Screw this.
Oh, right there, behind you. I'm right here. You see me?
Yeah.
In the bushes?
Yeah.
You're gonna get spot. Shush.
Did they spot me?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, Johnny's right there, dude. I don't know.
Right
I don't know.
here?
I don't know if. Okay, I'm gonna let Johnny move. Okay, I'm going in.
Where's Johnny?
Pretty close.
Right here. This is the water pump, right? Oh, never mind. It's not.
Screw me.
Hey, we found each other though.
Yeah. Now we have to find. Okay, follow me. I think it's this way. Oh boy, he's close to us.
He
My
passed
heart is
right
purple.
by me.
My
He
little
sees
heart
me.
thing is purple.
He saw me.
Good. Don't lead him to me, please. Oh, sit down!
Oh!
Get out of here! No, not to me! You are a piece of work. Ah! How do you run? Sito, how do you run? Sito, tell me! How do you run? Sito! Ah, Sito, you fool! How do you run? Ah!
Oh!
Sito!
Come up the stairs. Go straight. Come up the stairs to your left.
Sito!
Oh wait, no, there's no stairs.
Ow! Oh my god! How do I crouch? How do I crouch, Sito?
Oh! What?
I jumped. I hate you. I hate you.
Why? What
You
did I do?
you brought him to me. You brought him to me
didn't
like a
know you were
buffoon.
there.
You knew I was there. You knew I was there. I say,
didn't
follow
know.
me, follow me. And what's next? Oh, I got caught.
I
Let me just
didn't.
run to you.
I didn't follow you though.